Meaning of defy.
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 Defy. The word defy means to openly refuse to obey or comply with someone or something, often in a bold and challenging way. Defiance can take many forms, from resistance and rebellion to questioning authority and breaking rules. When someone defies, it usually results in a confrontation or conflict with those in power. Sometimes these conflicts can be resolved peacefully, but other times they escalate and lead to more serious consequences, such as punishment, isolation, or even violence. Ultimately, defiance is a way for people to assert their independence and challenge the status quo.